For today's Christmas cookie recipe, we are making these easy peppermint meringue cookies. In the bowl of a stand mixer or a large bowl if using a hand mixer, place 3 large room temperature egg whites. Using the balloon whisk attachment, you will need to mix these on medium for about a minute or until they're nice and foamy. Next, we will add 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar and mix for another minute until it is combined. Now we can begin adding our sugar. I'm going to add 2/3 cup of white sugar, but I'm adding it 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing well after each addition. This whole process should take around 5 minutes. As always, all of these instructions, as well as the full recipe, can also be found down in the description box below. Once the sugar is incorporated, it's super important to scrape down the sides to make sure that there's no granules of sugar remaining that will ruin our meringue. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. If you'd like a stronger flavor, you could use up to 1/2 teaspoon. We're just going to mix this for another minute or until the extract and sugar is all combined. As you can see here, we have a nice, smooth, glossy meringue and a stiff peak. For piping tips, any star tip would work, but my favorite is a closed star tip. Transfer your meringue into your piping bag. I like to use a small amount of the meringue to attach my parchment to my cookie sheet to ensure it doesn't move around while I'm piping. So the first way I like to pipe these is in rosettes. So you're going to work from the center outward, piping in a spiral motion, and then when you release pressure, continue that spiral motion. You can also just do the classic shape, so we're going to work from the outside in here, and we're going to taper off at the top and sharply pull away to get a nice point on the top. I'm going to add some sprinkles for a bit of extra Christmas cheer. Bake these peppermint meringue cookies in an oven preheated to 150 Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius for 90 to 120 minutes. Store these Christmas cookies in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. These peppermint meringue cookies are like crispy little clouds. They literally melt in your mouth. If you have enjoyed this video, I appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I'm going to link the rest of my 12 Days of Christmas Cookies series here for you. Thanks for watching!